In this video, we are going to learn how to auto-fit the columns. Generally, how we can auto-fit the columns, we can adjust the line between the cells by dragging it, or else we can double click on it. Then the cell will be auto-fitted. Instead of doing this, we can do a simple thing so that all the columns will be auto fitted automatically. So let's see how to do that. First you need to right click on the sheet 1. Then you need to click on view code. Then you need to select worksheet. Here you need to write a code, that is cells dot entire column dot auto fit. Then you need to close this window. If you type something here, then the column will be auto fitted. Say I have used the code, then the columns are automatically auto fitted. This is how we can auto fit the columns automatically. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel POIT.